colors, Roomba. Are you ready to...
Let's discover them together. Let's go.
This is red apple, the color red.
Red, red, like the apple. Red, red, like the apple. So shiny, so sweet. Let's go to the red world now.
Blue like the sea.
Great, what else is blue? Blue, blue, like the sea. So calm and deep as can be. Blue like the sky, so high above. Blue is cool, a color we love. Blue like jeans and blueberries too. Tell me, what's blue to you? Song.
Yellow like the sun. Can you see something else yellow? Banana. Let's race through the colors.
I love orange. Look at the carrots. Orange, orange, like a juicy treat. Carrots and oranges. Oh, so sweet. Love. We had a great time together. Do you agree?
Yes, our trip was enjoyable.
Let's learn more. Cooler by cooler. Read blue and yellow. Green. Let's sing it loud and be seen. Bye. See you soon in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.